Bonjour Year 7. So this is a little mini lesson for you to follow at home before you have a go at some other activities related to this. Before you do this, you will probably need to first of all practice all the games and activities on numbers so that it will help you complete these following activities, okay? So at home, we're not in class, we're learning today all about answering the question, quel âge as-tu? Can you have a guess? I mean, you might have seen somewhere on the screen as well what that might mean. Great, so it looks like the word age, doesn't it? What age have you? So we're going to be asking how we say, how old are you in French, and how we give the answer. So we're using this question, quel âge as-tu? So let's practice how we say this. Repeat after me. Répétez, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? So it's not quel. Remember, whenever we have QU in French, it always makes a K sound. So quel âge as-tu? So if this boy was asking this girl, how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? She might respond with j'ai 11 ans. 11, can you remember what number 11 is? Well done if you remember that it means 11. An means years. Can you remember what j'ai means? We learnt it when we were learning about our classroom objects. So it actually means I have, not I am. They don't say I am 11 years. They say I have 11 years. She might ask back then, et toi, and you? And he replies with me, moi, j'ai 12 ans. J'ai 12 ans. Any ideas how old he is? So he's 12. So both of them saying I have, then a number, then the word years. So if we ask someone how old are you in French, what we're actually asking them is what age have you? It sounds a bit strange to us. And then to say I am 11 years old, or I'm 11, you say I have 11 years. So when we're saying our age in English, we say I am, don't we? I am 12, I'm 11, I'm 13, whatever it is. And we might not bother saying years old, we might just say I am 12. But in French, we have to say I have. And then because we've said I have, we have to say the word years. Because if you say I have 12, well, I don't know what you're talking about. I have 12 monkeys, I have 12 sandwiches, who knows, okay? So you need to make sure we use the word years, which is on. So we use j'ai, which is I have, and we're going to use that phrase with family and our hair and eye colour and pets and so on. And then we have to use the word on, which means years old, with a number in between. Okay, so we're going to have a look at some to practice this now. Okay, so we've got 6 people here and the numbers in each box show how old each person is. So let's have a look at the first boy. He's 7, so he needs to say I have 7 years. So he says j'ai, I have 7 ans, years. I have 7 years. J'ai 7 ans. In other words, I am 7. So what I'd like you to do is to pause the video and have a go at working out the sentence for each person here. How would you say I have 4 years? I have 8 years. I have 10 years. I have 6 years. I have 9 years. How would you say each of those? If you can't remember the numbers, you could quickly have a look on the numbers activities on Moodle or in your book if you've got it at home, or you could have a look online. You could just put into Google French numbers and find an image of them. Okay, so you could have a look at the first one first of all. So pause the video and see if you can work out I have 4 years. Okay, so you should have paused the video and had a go at that. Maybe you wrote it down or maybe you just said it. So the answer would be j'ai, I have 4 ans. Or if you were just writing the number, j'ai 4 ans, like that. If you've got pen and paper, have a go at writing down the next 4. So pause the video and write down, I have 8 years. So we should have j'ai 8 ans. Okay, so pause again and now work out, I have 10 years or I am 10. So it's j'ai 10 ans. How would you say I am 6? In other words, I have 6 years. J'ai 6 ans. And then how would you work out I am 9 In other words, I have 9 years. So we've got j'ai 9 ans. So well done. If you got most of those correct, then hopefully now you understand how we talk about our age in French. I have something years, okay? And if we were talking about somebody else, like a brother, we'd have to say my brother has 3 years, or my sister has 1 year, or my dad has 40 years, whoever it is, okay? So now you followed this video, you now need to go on to the age activities on Moodle. So there is a worksheet and some games or quizzes to have a go at the age, practicing those sentences. Okay, well done, Year 7, and good luck.